Welcome back everyone. I hope you're doing well. I'm going to be showing you how I make my aloe vera oatmeal face cleanser. This is a super gentle and moisturizing face cleanser, and it's perfect for all skin types. It can be used every day. I'm going to show you step by step how I make this, so let's jump right in. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos. I have a bunch of other helpful DIYs, so please check those out. For this recipe, I'm using aloe vera gel. This is processed aloe vera gel. It's going to be more stable in your recipe. And I'm also using aloe vera powder as well. Everything I use in this recipe, I will list in the description box. Next, I have some colloidal oats. This is amazing for your skin. It's going to soothe dry, irritated skin. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to start measuring out my ingredients. I'm going to mix up my thickener. I'm using xanthan gum. So my xanthan gum, what I like to do, I like to add vegetable glycerin to my xanthan gum, and that's going to hydrate the gum and let it mix properly in your recipe. Next, I'm going to start adding in my water-based ingredients, starting off with aloe vera juice, some distilled water, and also my processed aloe vera gel. I'm adding in my colloidal oats. When using colloidal oats, sometimes it can be a little bit tricky to mix it well in your formulation, so you can use some warm water to help mix everything in. At this point, I was supposed to add my aloe vera powder. I completely forgot, so you would add it at this stage. So I'm just mixing everything in. So this is what my mixture is looking like. I'm going to start mixing up my surfactants. I'm using foaming oats. You can use any surfactants of your choice. Just make sure it's non-irritating and not harsh. I'm using decyl glucoside as well. And to my surfactants, I'm going to add my oils. I'm using grapeseed oil. This is lightweight and rich in antioxidants, and also I'm adding in some essential oils. So I'm just going to mix this in, and adding the oils to the surfactants helps blend everything well. And just a quick reminder, my next online skincare class starts September 26th. I'll leave the registration link in the description box if you are interested in signing up. So now I'm just going to add in my surfactants to my water mix. And I'm just going to mix it very carefully so that way I don't activate too much lather. I'm adding in my aloe vera powder. I did forget to add this earlier, so that's what I'm doing. And I'm just going to mix it all in until there are no lumps or clumps remaining. So now that everything is well mixed, I'm going to go on and check the pH of my face cleanser. This is very important because you don't want a face cleanser that is too high in pH, because that can strip your skin of moisture. So I'm using my pH meter to do this. You can also use pH strips. They are not as accurate, but they at least do a decent job. So this is what the reading is. It's 6.85. I'm just going to add some citric acid solution to bring down the pH. I like to stay in the pH range between 4.5 to 5.5, and this is reading 5.23. So that is acceptable. I will do another video soon about making my citric acid solution. I'm going to add in my xanthan gum mixture with the glycerin. I'm going to add that in to thicken up my cleanser. You just want to make sure that everything is well mixed and that there's no powder remaining. I'm adding in my Optifen preservative. Yes, you do need a preservative. I'll leave my preservatives video in the description box if you want to check that out. So I'm just going to mix everything till it's well combined. So depending on how thick you want your cleanser to be, you would just adjust your thickener accordingly, but it takes a full 24 hours to see what your consistency would actually be like. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to package this up. This recipe was for 5 ounces of product. And the aloe vera oatmeal face cleanser is ready. This is perfect for all skin types. It's really good if you have acne, irritated type skin, but it works for every skin type. It's mild and soothing. So I hope you try out this recipe. I'm going to show you how well this face cleanser lathers. It's super mild and gentle on the skin. It's not going to leave your skin feeling tight or stripped. So I really hope you enjoy this recipe, and I hope you try it out. And I hope you found it helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and also please turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos that I upload. And please like this video because that really helps me out, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.